Good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Mari Nelson, the CEO of Visionex Crypto Services Limited, a subsidiary of Visionex Limited, which houses other companies like Covenant Vision Digital Prints Limited, Covenant Vision Farm Plantation Limited, Visionex Auto Hires Limited, and two other companies which is yet to be launched. That's why I can't mention them. They are all launched, but they are yet to be in operation, which is a Visionex Private Securities and Visionex Real Estate Firm, which is going to be um, into the business not for just buying and selling, or the business of crowdfunding very soon. We are trying to get to build an ecosystem which will house a very vibrant projects like companies by the year 2025, like the mega giant of business in Africa, as you can see. So let's dive into the topic of today. The reason why I'm doing this analytic video, a complete analytic video, which is one of my first analytic video I'm doing aside from the ones you see me doing on WhatsApp and other platforms. I'm doing this video because we're about changing some terms and conditions and contracts in the company. As you can see, Visionex has a website, www.visionexcrypto.com. Also, we're also on an App Store, or Play Store, and you can also check us on Google and other places to find more about us. Okay, this video is directed to most of our already existing investors and new investors coming. As you can see, the crypto market the past 24 hours, like I've been saying, like most of my investors that follows me, or most of my customers that follows me on my WhatsApp status, on my WhatsApp, I post WhatsApp status of every now and then, warning people where cryptocurrency is going. As we're in the business of crypto mainly, and fintech operations mainly. We also trade stocks, exchange, we also trade forex, we also trade indices. We're into the main business we're into is exchanging of cryptocurrencies and also trading of cryptocurrencies as well as fintech operations. To make this video very brief, I want to show you what is happening right now in the crypto space. As you can see, we're currently having something called the September crypto bloodbath. As of yesterday, Bitcoin was down about 15%, Ethereum was down about 15%, Solana, DOT, FAIL, VET, ANA, BNB, AVAX, BNB, XRP, all of them were very down. But I can try to tell you that as a professional in this business, I think what has happened in the crypto space, which let's check the godfather of them all, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trying to repeat what happened in the year 2020, 2018, 2019, when Bitcoin came from all the way from $18,000 September straight down started from September, and by December it came down from 18,000 to 3,000, lingered for about 2 years, and the year 2020 we experienced same thing again. But what I'm trying to tell you right now is that what happened yesterday, I don't think is a panic. I don't think there's any fundamental there that is causing it. A lot of you might not understand what is happening here, but I think this was just a manipulation that happened yesterday because Bitcoin dropped about 7 to 8% in less than a few minutes. Go to Cointelegraph, you see some of the news there of how Bitcoin dropped. So a lot of people were saying it's because of El Salvador that made Bitcoin a legal tender in the country formally on the 7th of September 2021, yesterday. A lot of people are giving speculations. Fundamentals are there, they're big there. Everything is still positive. Adoption is still positive. Ethereum, DeFi's, NFTs, sci-fis, or every other crypto space, they are all adopting. So I don't think it was a will selling or fundamental or the news that made Bitcoin go down yesterday. I just think it's just a manipulation. That's my own opinion. I don't know. Other people might have their opinion, but right now Bitcoin is back all the way from $53,000, went down to 2,200, which is a very strong support in the Bitcoin network, as you can see here. there's a major level of support and resistance here, which we're looking up to. Like, if Bitcoin can break this support here, definitely we're going down. As you can see, I've been shouting it since last year, last month to last 2 months on my social media platforms that I don't because I live a private life much. So I put most of my stuff on WhatsApp. If you're not my WhatsApp, go and find my WhatsApp group. You see some things that can make millions for you daily and monthly there. Well, the main topic of today is to let people know. To me, I'm taking it, this is not financial advice, but as I'm talking to you right now, I've updated my contract terms from monthly payment of 15% to 20%, which is from the bronze, silver, gold portfolio, which is on 15%, and the elite investment portfolio, which is at 20%. As elite is from 25 million upward, and you get 20% monthly, except the first month, which houses a 6 months and 1 year contract duration. Then the bronze, silver, and gold also have 15% payment each on their own portfolio, which lasts for 6 months contract duration. But right now, everything is about to change because we still need to be in the business of making money for you. Also, watching this September bloodbath, where it's going. It's either we're going back bullish or we're going down backward. We trade futures when you're trading and your monies are being put into good use, also, which is why the CEO, is doing this video right now. As well as you can see, yesterday we had a major downturn. In minutes, Bitcoin dropped 7% all the way from 53,000 from here yesterday. Here, all the way from I think 53,000, 52,800 to 53,000 yesterday, straight down to about 2,200 yesterday in minutes. I mean in minutes. When I mean in minutes, it was in minutes, not even an hour. It was in minutes. So we're not going to take more of those chances anymore. You can see Bitcoin dropped from 47,000 to 42,000 in minutes. I'm losing about $7,000. And there were some major drops here also from 50,000, 741 straight to 42,000 in an hour, and major drops. So, what we'll do here is that we'll trade futures mainly because we have to meet up your payment of 15 to 20% monthly. But right now, we're going to long-term contract duration of 3 months payment, all new investors, and most of the existing investors from the gold and the elite platform will have to have a review of payment coming to 3 months, which is why I'm doing this video right now, to enable us, trade better, enable us invest better in other companies, enable us, not to make losses, which is why we're entering the futures 10x or from 5x to 10x, not more than 10x. The leveraging or using just 20 to 20% of our portfolio from now till 3 months from now, which is December, which are 100% positive. We see 100% positive that by the end of December 2021, we will get to about what's it called? We'll get about $100,000 to $150,000 in Bitcoin, and about in Ethereum, I think we should get to about $5,000 to $10,000 in Ethereum, and also some other coin that I can't discuss here, except only on my investors are interested should contact me privately. Let's talk more. And I'm also writing a project right now on 10 coin, which I tagged the roadmap to be a billionaire. If you have money to invest, instead of going to buy, invest money into some companies that you don't know what it will bring, why don't you invest it in smart contracts, cryptocurrencies, which is the future of digital currency, which is the future of money, and you can see yourself exploding all the way to probably 1,000 to 10,000% in a month. Yes, it's possible. 1 millionaire can be 100 millionaire in 5 years. Yes, 100% possible. With what I know as the CEO of Next Crypto Services Limited, someone that's been into the crypto world and has been studying and doing research and investing and trading and even making money for people monthly, which is about changing to 3 months right now since the year 2014. Bought my first Bitcoin. I bought my first Bitcoin when Bitcoin was $300. Go and check back 2014, 2013. Bitcoin was just $300. And since then, I've been enjoying the benefit of the cryptocurrencies. If you go back to our daily chart on Bitcoin and let's check back what might have happened, you can see that prior to September, last year. Prior to September last year, same thing happened. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's see if I can get that quickly. Prior from September last year, you can see that 2nd of September, we dropped a lot of Bitcoin from September 2nd straight to September 5th. In just 3 days, we lost about 9% from probably we lost about 38% in just 2 days in crypto and Bitcoin. It happened on other coins that were present there. Also, in December, we were about $500. We dropped down to, sorry. Okay, as you can see, this was October. Yeah, we dropped a lot of, cryptos down. This is Ethereum, sorry. I was talking about Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Ethereum was just about trading about $200. Today now we have Ethereum about $3,000. Can you imagine? Can you beat that? Can you beat that? Just imagine you invested in Ethereum last year. Imagine what you would have gotten by now. Imagine what you would have gotten by now. Let me do a quick calculation for you. From here, this is October 26, 2020, straight to where we are right now. Straight to where we are right now. You will see that, sorry. From October 26 to where we are right now. Let me host over where we are right now. You see that Ethereum did 1,366%. If you put 1 million naira, you would have gotten over 133 million naira just between October last year and this year. Bitcoin did the same thing also. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what Bitcoin did. Even though it's going down right now, everybody's panicking to sell. What it has done within just 1 year. And I still feel and I still think as a CEO of Chanex Limited that we'll have about $100,000 in Bitcoin. So last year, October, September, we had the bloodbath also. I will zoom in so that you see everything from September 7th to right where we are right now. Bitcoin has done about 355%. Imagine if you 10x this Bitcoin, definitely you should be having about 3,550% right now. Can you beat that? Can you beat that? That's about a millionaire would have given you about 351 million naira, 10x or 35 million naira if you are buying or saving as normal. No business do that for you. And we are still in the early stage of crypto. We're still in the early stage of crypto. So I told you I'll be making this video as small as possible. Let's talk about let's look at Solana. Let's look at Solana. Let me just give one example. Let's look at Solana coin. Solana coin, let's go back to probably the weekly time frame and see what Solana has done in the past couple of weeks. Let me go to the daily time frame that spells more, shows more of the from here. Let me just even start from July this year. From July this year, which is from July 22nd, I entered from July 28th, I entered into this coin and I think I sold at 130. But right now you can see that Solana is at $160 right now, doing 444% already. And I'm seeing that trade. I don't have any plan of ending that trade just because of how we want to grow tomorrow. Doing about 444% in less than, that is July, August, September, 3 months, done 444% already. Imagine where Solana is going. I believe in the next 5 years, Solana will go straight to about $1,000. About $1,000, yes, 100% sure. And in 5 years' time, Solana will leave here to about $1,000. About $1,000, doing another 462%. Imagine if you 10x from here now, and you get your macro without being liquidated or even 5, or let me say 10x, you should be having 4,620% in less than 5 years. Can you beat that? No business can do that for you. Now, if you want to know more about Solana, how the roadmap is, and why you should invest on Solana, there are smart contracts that support DeFi's, SciFi's. Let's talk about Solana ecosystem. Let's talk about Solana ecosystem. Solana ecosystem. So if you invest in any other coin, know what they are doing, know how it's going. Okay, let's talk about Solana ecosystem is opening. You can see a lot of smart contracts. They have about 32 smart contracts already. They have EMPs, apps, community, cross-chain, dApps, DeFi, DEX, exchanges, Explorer, ecosystem from game, governance, infrastructure. Can you beat that? Can you beat that Web3 wallet? They have stablecoin. Many companies here in Solana. So why don't you think they will get to $1,000 one day? Or why don't you think they will still get to Bitcoin, which is about $50,000 one day, which is what I'm expecting them to get to? So I told you I would make this video as smart as possible. You can see a lot of funding, a lot of companies. PUB wallet is here. I think what's it called? Exchanges like Binance is here also. There are DeFi's, there are wallet systems, there are exchanges, there are NFTs, a lot, about 322 in general. We also have Cardano, which is about ADA, which is about Cardano ecosystem. They are smart contracts. These are high companies. So whenever anybody is telling you that, oh, crypto is a scam, imagine how much each of these companies are worth. Binance right now, how much they are worth. GB Wallet, how much they are worth. All these other companies in the ecosystem, how much they are worth. Check them, open them, see how they are doing, see how many transactions Solana is processing, which they call the, ETH killer, Ethereum killer. Also tagging Cardano and Polkadot, which is dot, as Ethereum killers also, to share the ecosystem, build them, put your money in them instead of just putting your money in stocks. Maybe a company like just maybe, I don't want to mention them so that I will not be sued. But all these smart contract companies have a lot of infrastructures and projects under them that is driving them to giving you 5 to 10,000% in less than 3 or 4 years. If you buy a land today for 1 million naira, I don't see you selling that land for over maybe 10 million naira, 100 million naira to 200 million naira in 1 or 2 years. I think this cryptos, currencies will do that because they are smart contract companies. So for now, this is what we do here at VisionX Crypto Services Limited to provide you with good funding. So I think you should. It's a very good, very good company to invest your money on. We are striving to improve every day. And as you can see, we just launched VisionX Crypto together, all the companies together, March 2021 here. We have been in operation since 2015 with the other companies, even in the exchanging business since 2015. But we have been trying to do the experiences and get our game together so that we can launch, which we launched already. We're still in the business of coming forward. And I have a roadmap that by the end of 2025, VisionX Crypto, VisionX Limited all together should be worth about at least 10 to 20 to 50 billion naira. By the grace of God, we get them because we're in the business of smart contract, DeFi, SciFi, and a lot of other things happening. And it's changing and other things. So you can visit our website, www.visionexcrypto.com. You can also download our app you can also download our app on App Store and Play Store. As you can see, you can recharge, you can buy time, pay internet, buy electricity, TV bills, SMS. We're coming. So we need more investors, long-term investors, people that are ready to push us forward, people that are ready to support this vision we're going to right now. And at the end of the day, we will all smile. I would like to also let people know that we are go and search for VisionX Crypto Services Limited. You see us here on Google. We are verified on Google. We have been marked out on Google. We're in Osubi Delta State, Nigeria for now. Our address is here. Everything you need to know about me is here also in, on Google. So we are, for now, there is this heavy bloodbath in the crypto space by adjusting this is a manipulation. This is a manipulation. Countries like El Salvador will now make Bitcoin legal tender. Other countries like Panama about adopting it. OpenSea, a lot of other things. Go and read news and see that crypto is where you should invest your money on. Vision S Crypto Services Limited is a company which you should bring your money to, and in the long term you get high returns. Also, we're not promising anything for now, but doing our best, give you the best. And we're still in the business of exchanging of crypto services. We're about launching our version 2.0 that houses a P2P system, because right now there's a ban on cryptocurrency in Nigeria, so we cannot buy and sell cryptos except give you a platform which is a P2P system, the only system that enables you to exchange your cryptocurrencies to any currency, to any coin or any other thing you want. So let me end this video for now, for now. And I encourage you to also check our other companies, our mother companies, which is the food basket of the nation. I call it the food basket of Vision S Limited, Corona Shop and Plantations Limited. It's doing very, very, very well, very, very well into the contract of bringing people in, into the using mechanization into the palm plantation, which is a very lucrative business, and I think is the most sweetest business in Nigeria today. The most profitable business, the only business that is chasing crypto services at the moment. We're also into the business of Vision S auto hires. We hire HODLers, we hire cars, we hire Prado. You can also come and print from us. We are one of the biggest in Warri Delta State, Nigeria. Right now, the printing operation, which is called Vision Digital Prints Limited. We print any banners, brand of shop, brand of cars, DI print, large format print, mention it, any kind of printing, which is going to be the powerhouse of all our promotional content very soon, and also to serve the commercial space. For now, we tagged ourselves as corporate printers. We print for all the companies, because time will come whereby we will not be able to print for everybody, but for only the company itself, and we will contract more that corporation. So Vision S Limited has an ecosystem which I think you need to see, seriously. You need to see Vision S Limited ecosystem and see what we do. Go into our portfolio, see what you can do to help us grow. Let's grow together and make this money together. I'm very grateful to have you on board, and I'm soliciting with my investors about the recent change from September. I've not received their money monthly anymore, or any new investors have not received their money monthly anymore, or in 3 months. We need to do this to enable us to be able to meet up, because if we go out of business, you will not be able to make money for yourself also. So we're contacting a few of our elite investors and our good investors why they should embrace the impact of expecting their payments in 3 months, and anyone that does not is not okay with that. I think we'll have to let you understand why we might terminate your contracts with us to enable us grow better, but we will not want to resort to that. We would like for you to understand that your investment remains, or any new investors coming in has a 6-month contract and a 1-year contract duration, but payments will only be coming in 3 months. And I also want to let you know that this is subject to review. You can go back to the monthly from January 2022. Thank you very much for choosing Vision S. Thank you very much to the team. And I also want you to tell people about Vision S. We also have what's called the referral bonus. A lot of people are using it, but people don't know about it. If you bring anybody that buys and sells crypto to us or to any of our customers, you get 2%, $2 per dollar, which means that if anybody sells $10,000 to us, you get $2 times 10,000, which is 20,000 naira. Anybody buys from us, then maybe $5,000 Bitcoin, or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you get 2 naira per dollar, which is 2 naira times 5,000. People grow this. A lot of people are making use of cryptocurrency these days, and people grow this every day. You understand? So come and make money. Then, if you bring anybody that wants to invest with our company, we give you 2% of the total capital, which means that anybody that invests 1 million naira on a growth platform, you get 2% of that money, which is 20,000 naira. If you bring anybody that invests 10 million naira, you get 100,000 naira. This is a way of me being financially free. I call it financial freedom, which I also told you that I have 10 coin right now. I think investing just 1 million in them might bring up to 10,000 to 5,000%, which is about 5 million to 1 billion naira in less than 5 years. In less than 5 years, you can say that because as of 2012, one Bitcoin was just 41, 10,000 Bitcoin was just $41, which is 3,000 naira. Do you know how much those Bitcoins are worth right now? 10,000 Bitcoins times 40,000. As of right now, this 46,414 times 10,000 Bitcoin. That's about over 400 and that's about $46 million. $46 million converted to naira right now. We're talking about billions of naira, billions about 20 something billion naira, about maybe 50 40 something billion if I can get it correctly. 3,000 naira just 8 years ago, 9 years ago is worth about 400 and something, 46 to 26, 24 to 46 billion naira right now. Who can beat that? Who can beat that? So the opportunity is not off yet, but still have other coin. Like I told people, if you want to trade coin, go and check coin market cap, and check by yourself. Put your money there and give it time. It's a long-term investment. It's not a get rich quick investment. You can see the first 50 coin. Go and choose from any of those. Put your money there. Give it time. With time, you see the large number of returns these coins are giving because they are hosting very, very smart contracts these days, like the Polkadot smart contract. Let me end this. Let me end this. Let me end this here. Go and check their white papers, check their roadmap, check their heat map, check a lot of things about them, and you see how these companies are doing very, very nice. A lot of companies are under them already, which is driving them to earn this much percentage every day by day. Thank you very much for choosing Vision X. Thank you very much for this video. I'm glad we choose you. I'm glad you understand also as a new investor or an existing investment investor. Thank you very much. Goodbye for now.